Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about the different types of the instruments, musical instruments, which produces the different sounds. Okay, as we have seen the different types of the musical instruments, that is a blow type of the musical instruments. Example: flute, clarinet, Shehnai. Okay, and here we learned about the some of the string instruments. Okay, whereas the string instruments, guitar, violin, veena are some of the string instruments. In the same way, we have seen the tabla, khanjara, congo. Okay, some drums types of musical instruments, children. Okay, and we should know the difference between music and noise, children. Music and noise. What do you mean by music and what is noise? Okay, normally music is produced or sound is produced by the vibrating bodies. If the sound is produced by the vibrating bodies, if that sound, whatever that is produced, if it is pleasant to hear, if it is pleasant to hear, or the vibrations whatever that are made, okay, if they are made at regular intervals of time, okay, if they are made at regular intervals of time, then we say that is called as the music. The vibrations which are made at regular intervals of time it produces the music, whereas if the vibrations which are made, if they are at irregular intervals of time, not properly, okay, then it is called as the noise, children. Noise. Normally some people when they speak or when they sing a song, it is very we like to hear the song again and again. Music also, music. Okay, if you want to hear the music of any person, normally each and every person likes the music. Okay, why they like the music of particular person? Why? Because his voice or her voice will be very pleasant to hear. Okay, children, like that. Okay, that is about the what? Music. And whereas the noise is made at irregular intervals of time. As it is made as irregular intervals of time, okay, noise. Normally when we go to a fish market, in the fish market, okay, children, all the people will be talking differently with the different voices. Therefore, as it is not pleasant to hear. Okay, normally in the classroom, when the teacher is absent, in the absence of the teacher, normally children will be talking. Okay, children will be talking over there. As it is not legible to hear, children. Okay, it is not legible to hear. We won't like to hear that kind of noise. Okay, why? Because it is called as why we can't hear? Why? Because it is produced at regular intervals of time. That means here one person will be speaking of something and other person will be speaking of something. That's why many of the teachers during the classroom, okay, they will be saying that, okay, is it a classroom or a fish market? Okay, not only fish market, any market. Normally when we go to a movie, we like to hear that sound. Why? Because it is made at regular intervals of time. But some war is taking place between in a place, in your village or in your place, okay, where you are staying, nearby your house. If a war is taking place between the women or the men, it is not legible to hear. Okay, if we don't want to hear such type of noises. Okay, that is the difference between the noise and the music, children. Okay, and here we can produce different music, children. We can produce the different music. Normally this finger is called as the forefinger, children. This finger is called as the middle finger. This finger is called as the ring finger. This finger is called as the short finger. Okay, children. The small finger we say. Okay, this is the pointed finger. Okay, pointed finger or forefinger we say. This is the middle finger, this is the ring finger, this is the small finger, children. Normally we can produce this sound Here we are having of a activity, children, that is activity 5. As we can produce normally, when we hit the with the forefinger, when you hit on the left palm like this, it produces some sound. Next, second finger, next, third finger, next, fourth finger. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Normally forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, small finger. Forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, small finger. When we are making up the sound like this, what happens, children? It produces some same like what? The water drizzling. It's as if it is raining. It resembles the sound of a rainfall. See, children. Okay, it resembles the sound of a rainfall. Okay, children. Yes. Okay, we can produce this sound like that. Normally in some videos we come across that people producing of the music by hitting the glass. Some Airtel music is there. Airtel music normally they'll be by beating of different sounds, it produces the music. And not only, children, in some videos where there if we can see the without the musical instruments, sounds are produced. Okay, if we can see the some videos, okay, in those videos we can able to see that many of the people producing the music without the musical instruments. Normally beating of a table, when we beat a table, it gives different sound. When we beat a book, it gives different sound. When we beat a hand, it gives a different sound like this. And at different places it will be producing of different sound, children. Like that also we can produce the sound. Okay, children. Okay, and here, children, okay, one more activity is there, children. We are having of one more activity. For that activity, okay, a girl, she had taken the glasses, metal glasses which are made up of the glass. Okay, the glasses which are made up of the glass, children. Here a girl had taken a glass which is made up of the glass. 4 glasses were there, and here she poured the water of different volumes in one. Here in this case, children, it is full of water. It is half of water. It is some 30%, 40% of water. Here no water. Here, okay, at different volumes she had taken. She had taken the different volumes of water, and she is beating the tip of the glasses. She is beating the tip of the glasses with the spoon, children. Okay, when she is beating with the tip of the spoon, the tip of the glass with the spoon of a different volumes of the water of equal shape. The glasses are of the same size, but here the water is different. That means same glass only. All the glasses are made up of the glass, but whereas here the volume is different. As the volume is different, here the sound produced over there is also different, children. That means the full glass will produce of different sound. This glass will be producing of different sound. This one different, children. Okay, as we have seen in the last class, I have showed you the guitar, children. Okay, in the guitar, when we are pressing of the different strings will produce the different sounds. They are all the same. The strings they won't produce the same sound. When we plug the very thin one, it gives up different sound. You can also do it at your home, children. Just you take a compass box. Okay, a geometry box will be there, no? For that geometry box, just you fix the different rubber bands of different thickness. One you take a bigger one very tightly, one with somewhat loose, like that you take, children. And just you by using of your finger or by using of a small toothpick, just you try to vibrate it. therefore it produces of different sound. Why it produces of different sound? Why? Because the different strings which were there over there will produce of different sound, children. In the same way, the different volumes of the water, even though they are made up of the glass, the difference of the different volumes will be giving of different music, children. The same way as when you blow the flute, we will be having of the flute many holes are there. We will be having for the flute many holes are there, children. When we blow the flute and when you are pressing of the flute, when you close and open the flute, the whatever the air that you have blown inside the flute will be coming out through that opening. As a result, it produces of different sound, children. Okay, like that it will produce of the different sound. Okay, this what we can say that is that as a jal tarang, children. Jal tarang. Okay, the produce which is produced, the music which is produced by the water is called as a jal tarang, children. Okay, children, here jal tarang, here it is given, children. Jal tarang. Okay, here figure 8 jal tarang, children. And you can practically do it home, children. You can do this activity at home and you can see you can observe, children. Okay, all right, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.